In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations to Squarespace. If you want to make your site feel more dynamic and engaging, adding animation is a simple way to do it. Squarespace gives you built-in animation settings for elements like text, and once you know where to find them, the process is very straightforward. To begin, open your Squarespace site editor and click on the text element you want to animate. This selects the specific content block you'll be working with, so make sure you're choosing the exact text section you want visitors to notice. Once the text is selected, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the editing panel where you can adjust settings for that element. If you don't see the options right away, just make sure the correct block is selected before moving on. Inside the editing panel, click on Animation. This is where Squarespace lets you control how that element behaves visually. Animations can help draw attention, add polish, and make a page feel more interactive without needing custom code. From there, click on Triggers. Triggers decide when the animation will happen. In other words, this setting controls what user action or page behavior starts the effect. Next, click the plus icon in the Triggers section to add a trigger. This allows you to define a new animation behavior for the selected text element. After that, click the current trigger setting. This opens the list of available trigger types you can choose from. You'll see several options here, including on hover, on press, loop, on scroll, on appear, and follow. Each one changes when the animation starts. For example, hover reacts when a visitor places their cursor over the element, while appear or scroll can activate as someone moves down the page. For this example, click on loop. A loop trigger is useful when you want the animation to repeat automatically without requiring any interaction from the visitor. This can be a good option if you want to keep a certain text element subtly moving to attract attention. Once loop is selected, choose the animation style you want to apply. Squarespace offers options like spin, float, hop, look, roll, and breathe. Each one creates a different visual effect, so pick the one that best matches the tone of your site. If you want something gentle, breathe or float may work well. If you want something more playful or eye-catching, spin or hop might be a better fit. And that's how to add animations to Squarespace. As a quick tip, try to keep animations purposeful and not overuse them, so your site still feels clean and professional while adding that extra bit of motion.